Hi, are you spending more but getting worse leads? So this is a huge reason. Yeah, I would say it's 70% of the reason why most people are spending more money on leads, but they get more money on ads rather, but they get worse and worse leads. So here we have a wonderful example. In this case, they have 3 Google tags and 2 tag managers. That's a mess. But I wanted to focus on the meta pixel here. When you initially get to the page rather, they have a page view and a form submission when you first get to the page. And then they have a second pixel too. My point is that when Facebook recognizes that a form has been submitted, that's probably what you told it that you wanted. But when you first get to the page, if it says, oh, you have what you want, this is the type of customer we need to target. Well, I just showed up on the page. I am not a target customer. And so what it does is then goes out and finds more of me. This is a problem. This is why you spend more money on ads, but you get worse and worse results, because the algorithm is just going bananas. It thinks that you want more of the certain types of people, but this is the opposite of what you want. So when you have a bad signal, your ROAS just hits the fan, as it were, and you spend more money, but you don't get better quality leads. Now, if I can navigate to another page here where we can show a clean pixel. Yes, it's my page. I can use my own page because it's a clean signal. And right now, this one shows a simple page view. One page view. One person on the page. We have one page view. Now, I also have server-side integration and all that other types of fancy stuff hooked up. But in this case, we're just focusing on one-to-one ratios. So when someone goes to the website, it's one view. Not form submission, not spend all my money, not take my ad spend to Timbuktu and back. It's one, and one. And when you don't have this type of thing, a clear delineation, your ROAS hits the fan. So this is the type. If you have questions, put them down below, and I'll try and give you an answer. Or you can sign up through the link below. Click the link below, and I'll take a look at your site. Thank you. Have a nice day.